Bug Eye Guys, today a special car to tour with me and drive to come. This is a car called Angus. Angus was a red car that came from a client named Angus, and we took Angus and turned it into something that has no remnant of Angus left about it. It is now Super Angus. It's got this powder coated trim that's just stunningly matte finish, beautiful. Chopped windshield, larger mirror. It's a massive restoration. These are beautiful stainless side mirrors in the windshield posts. This is all new steering wheel, air horn. These are they have to be powered up with the key. These are the driving lights. So there's an illuminated switch here for those, a wooden shift knob, Ford 5-speed transmission, some beautiful Smith's chronographs, and extra gauges here built into this, a voltmeter and an ammeter. We have the original stock stuff here. There is no washer pump. We welded this shut closed because he didn't want that. The fellow that hired us to do this restoration, so it won't ever telegraph through the vinyl because there's a plate. A lot of these cars, the dashboards get modified and they don't back the vinyl, but here we've welded in a plate, so you won't have a problem there. And if the new owner wanted a washer pump, we can put one in. There's also new door liners, new door pockets, new check straps, this beautiful door, blue door seal, new seats, new foam, new trays, new blue piping. Just everything on this car was completely rebuilt. It does have racing lap belts. I would put in the 3-point shoulder belts. These are not my favorite because they tend to flip out and scratch the rocker panels. If that ever happens, that'd be a disaster because the paint job on this car is over the top gorgeous. There's a beautiful silver pearl highlight quality about it, and it's electric. So a very special car with a 1275 engine that's, it's a little bit more modified than stock. It's a little bit more power than stock with some of the modifications done to that 1275 engine. So go for a drive. We'll leave these on. I wanted to see, it has 109 miles on it since we built it. It's acquiring a signal, so I can't scroll through the functions yet, but these GPS speedos are really nice. These are new as well. They give you other functions like altitude and compass heading and also maximum speed. So I wanted to see how fast this car has gone in its 109 miles since it's been rebuilt. It's fundamentally the opportunity to buy a completely restored new build. There we go, there's the speedo. 80 miles an hour. So I don't remember when I sent it to the client who bought it, had us build it, if I had done that or if he did it. But either way, it's gone 80 miles an hour, and that's all the testimonial you need. I will say that this chopped windshield, as beautiful as it is and as sort of sexy as it is, it does make for more wind in your face. So some people might want us to put together the original size windshield to put it back on. It would also open up the opportunity of having a top. So we can't put a top on the car with this chopped windshield. There's nothing to fasten it to. Engine is actually still breaking in with just 100 miles on it. It's basically a brand new engine. And it idles quite nicely for a new engine. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Got a motor scooter on one side and a garden hose to follow. Turn signals are here. If you're unfamiliar, indicator is there. One indicator for both signals. It's nice that the steering wheel is dead straight, 12 o'clock. These wheels give you more access to the gauges for visibility. Sometimes people put them the other way around with the V up this way, but this way that it's currently installed, you have the best gauge visibility. The nice thing about these 5 speeds, or these cars in general in these configurations, is you can loaf along. They're not so high strung that you need it to be at higher RPMs. But if you want to get on it, you can. So it's a really nice balance. There's a range of ways that you can drive these cars. They will tolerate a lot. And the brakes are 4-wheel discs, so nice upgrade in the front and an even nicer upgrade in the back. If you're new to these cars, they would have been 4-wheel drums when new. Is our destination for some photos today, so that's at least one drive in a very special car from Bug Eye Guys. Thank you for riding with me today. It's a pleasure, and keep in touch.